Windows 20 Software Engineering 2.
I will present on job training.
Computer technology from time to time continues to develop.
Computers are not only used as a means of calculating number or numbering, but are also used for means of processing database. In this field work practice, the writer tries to make student data management application. This application is made on a web-based programming language using HTML and PHP, with database integration using phpMyAdmin, so that it can make it easier for administrator to process data for incoming student leaving,
Graduating students of moving students.
The goals of making this application are as follows. 1. Evaluate the territories and abilities that are obtained during learning in school. 2. Make it easier for administrator
Input and output from the process of student data processing activities.
3. Can optimize work system that already exceed the work of student data processing. System development method. The system development method in building student data management is a relational unified process (RUP).
With the design tool Unified Modeling Language UML,
RUP phase or stage. 1. Inception is supporting data connection process in making application. 2. Elaboration is defines the planning and design of the project using UML. 3. Conclusion is writing program code to product an application using HTML and PHP.
programming tools from Notepad++ and phpMyAdmin as the database.
4. Transition. 1. System testing. 2. Creating user guide documentation. Global software description. Perspective software product created here in after called M-Student.
Is used to manage student data. M-Student consists of 6 main parts. 1. User login function. 2. User data function. 3. Student data function. 4. Class data function. 5. Batch data function. 6. Report function. The characteristic of M-Student application user are the admin
and the principal. Every user who interact with the system is associated with access right M-Student application which is built based on web. Details description of the software. Requirement for external interface.
1. User interface.
M-Student is developed in graphic from
with a screen size 1024 780 pixels.
The software is equipped with menu and advertisement to access the various functions from it.
The interaction between the user and the software is carried out using a keyboard remote.
The minimum hardware requirements that can be used are 1. PC compatible with 2 GB memory, Intel Pentium or AMD processor. 2. LCD monitor that
display a relation of 1024
780 multi-pixel. 3. Keyboard and mouse for user interaction with the system. All hardware used is standard equipment. Software interface. The minimum software required to run Amsterdam is a Windows 7 or 8 operating system. Functional equipment. The product basic functions are described in the use case diagram for the following requisites. 1. Rich picture. 2. Use case diagram. 3. Scenario. 4. Activity diagram. 5. Class diagram. 6. Sequence diagram.
Conclusion.
Fieldwork practical activity are very useful for developing what has been taught in school. Fieldwork practice can be said to be a complement and a maturation process so that ethics are ready
To be involved in the world of work. Suggestion. It would be nice for us to carefully prepare the materials taught in school.
and for undergraduate we will carry out fieldwork practice.
Try to keep the good name of the school.